When you use SPSS or any other software for an analysis, APA style requires that you cite the name of the software that you used within the text of your research paper. But what type of in-text citation should you use? And when should you include a reference to it on your references page? Depending upon the type of software, you may need only an in-text citation, but not a reference. According to the APA Publication Manual 7th edition, common software and mobile apps mentioned in text do not need citations. Example of software or apps that do not require citations include statistical programs, that is, R, SPSS, SAS. The publication manual specifies, if you used common software or mobile apps during your research, simply give the proper name of the software or app along with the version number in the text. You would only provide reference list entries and in-text citations when mentioning software of limited distribution, meaning that your audience is unlikely to be familiar with them. For example, a proper APA-style citation of SPSS would look like this. The data were analyzed using IBM SPSS Statistics, version 26, predictive analytics software. Mention the full, proper name of the software and include the version number in parentheses. You would not include a mention of the IBM Corporation in your citation because SPSS is common software. Nor would you include a reference to the software on your references page. But what if, for some reason, you wanted to include a reference for SPSS? Maybe your advisor insisted on it. Or what if you're using something other than APA style and that style requires a reference? Or what if I wanted to cover creating a reference for SPSS because I have something interesting to tell you? This is where it matters what version of SPSS that you used. Since 1968, back when SPSS stood for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, SPSS was owned by SPSS Incorporated and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, USA. But in 2009, SPSS was purchased by IBM, which is located in Armonk, New York, USA. And the name was changed to IBM SPSS Statistics. SPSS versions 18 and earlier would be referenced in Chicago. Versions 19 and later would be referenced in New York. IBM keeps a page about referencing current and past versions of their software. I have included links in the description below. If you use BibTeX, the BibTeX code for version 26 would look like this. This is also in the video description. If you use Microsoft Word for your research papers, you could look into the BibTeX for Word package. Again, links are in the description. And that is how you cite and reference IBM SPSS Statistics in APA style.